Hey guys, today we got a unique piece here. This is a SpaceKap by Fiberback. It's the Compact series SpaceKap. This one's fits a full-size short bed trucks. These are encapsulated caps, so it's pretty much all self-contained, and then made to fit into any full-size short bed truck. This is in good shape. These are pretty high-end pieces typically. This one's got a nice ladder rack on here, the Ergo Rack on the top here. Holds 2 ladders. It's in good shape. Top looks good. These are all like a gel coat finish, so they really don't have any, there's no paint real issues on these. Doors look good. There's no damage on the doors. The bottom, it's pretty good. There's really no, just some wear marks where it sat on the install kit. Side door opens up. Turn the handle. Opens up. Has shelves inside here. It's nice and clean. It's really, I mean, it's been used, but it's been taken care of. It's not all beat up. Shuts back down there. Latch that up. Flip that lever up there to keep the weather out of the lock. Front solid panel. That's how these are made. They don't have windows in them. And then bottom edge looks good on here. Really, like, there's no real major damage on this at all. The side looks good. Ladder rack on this side as well. The top, no damage on it. This has something that was bolted into the roof there. I don't know what I didn't look to see what was bolted into the top of that. Has a strobe light. It may or may not work. We're not really sure. We don't check the 12-volt stuff on these. Fiberglass is in good shape. No damage on here. Side door, it's in good shape. Bottom, there's no damage on here at all where it mounts in to the truck bed. The side doors open up here. Opens up into some shelves on this side. I think I had little bin holders. The bins are gone, but I'm sure it could be, those could be sourced. I had little bin holders there. Has an extension cord there. I'm guessing it probably has like a power inverter plugged in there. There's some wires there, so probably had a power inverter, but they've taken that out. Door shut, secure up there, close up there. Double doors in the back. Brake light there. It's in good shape all the way through here. No damage on the doors. No damage on the back here at all. Yeah, it's got a little bit of a scuff mark right below the handle there, but that's really it. These are, I believe these are bolt locks. So those will be locked to the, or keyed to the vehicle that it came off of. So we'll have to get locks. We'll have to get locks for that. new locks for that. This does have the Slide Master bottom tray in here. That slides out. Allows that, it brings this slides out pretty much all the way out. That allows access to the whole, basically the whole floor just pulls out of that. You have the whole access to all your tools and gear and what have you there. 1,000-pound capacity on this, evenly distributed. And it's push the little red dot button there. That pushes back in. And latches back in there like so. Has a couple hooks here, probably hang extension cords or something like that. Not really sure. There's the bolts for the ladder rack. Not really sure what they had hanging off that. Looks like they had an alarm on it at one time. LED lighting. LED lighting. The alarm on it probably could be hooked up again. The alarm is, like I said, we don't have any way of knowing if that works or not. Not sure. Some sort of a box, electrical box. Another electrical box. I'm guessing this is from the extension cord on the front. Yeah. Can't really see in there well. I handed it away. There we go. Fire extinguisher holder. Tool here. This is for mounting, installing, and removing the cap. It goes in there and latches that underneath the truck bed. Here's the 2 pins for the front pieces there. Does have the slide. Whoops. The slide. You can put this pretty much anywhere. I don't forget what they exactly call this. Then you can lock that in place, and then you can have it tie down wherever you want it. So you can slide that up there and down and have it tie down wherever you want. This is the tool for the ladder rack. So this is for, we'll do this one over here. Close the door. This goes in here. That goes in there. And this flips the ladder rack open. And this comes down so that you can have the ladder on the side. So you don't have to lift it up on the top. You can hang the ladder on the sides here. On these two here. Then you get your ladders hung in there. You take this lever, flip this back, and then it latches back down like so, and latches. And this piece pushes in and latches down on top of your ladder there to lock it all in place. Both sides do that. The same handle works this side as well. So you can get 2 ladders on there at least. And then you can stick this back here or wherever you want to put it. Just kind of keep it in there. It's a little security handle so you can get out of there. If it gets shut on you, you can turn that and get it out, back out of there, and don't get locked in. Latches back over, covers that up. Like I said, these appear to be bolt locks, so these will be keyed to the vehicle that it was in. So those will have to be changed if you want to be able to lock it. It does anyways. Okay, so like I said, this is a full-size truck, short bed, 6.5 foot bed, 6'9", 6.5, 6'4", so it fits all the short bed trucks, full-size trucks. Then it requires an install kit. So this is a specific install kit for the truck I came out of, the 07 to 13 Chevy GMC trucks. That's what this install kit was for. If you have something different than that and you want it, you'll have to get an install kit for that specific vehicle to make that work. Those are available from Fiberback or SpaceKap. Those are available and can be purchased to fit the next truck you have. So, but this is, if you have the 07 to 13, here it is. We're more than welcome to it. And then the wiring here, which goes up to the cab for your brake light and your other components. That's all the wiring for that as well. And then the wiring, oh, I didn't show you that, but I'm gonna open this back up again. Look in here. And there's the wiring for the cap itself. Right there, and that plugs in to the other harness that we just looked at. Little bins in the back here, so you can put some stuff in the back door. Same as this side has some, looks like they had spray cans and stuff in there. So it is the SpaceKap, the compact series. So it's a smaller one, smaller than the standard SpaceKap. That's, of course, that's why they call it compact. Fits all full-size trucks, short bed, 6.5, 6.4, 6.9. So any of the short bed trucks, not the 5.8s, not the extra short beds, but the standard 6.5 to, you know, standard short bed trucks. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased off of our website as well. Just go to that link there, click in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it sent out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific in your truck, a certain style, color, brand, type of cap you're looking for, something specific, you want it to, we upload to YouTube and our website, used inventory as it gets here. So you want to hit the subscribe button, stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.